Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix laptop stuck on login screen or login wallpaper. So let's begin our video. So here you can see if I just turn on if I just press on power button on my laptop, so here you can see it's successfully opening. Here you can see there is my laptop logo. It's opening. Here you can see. So after opening, this wallpaper already is stuck on here. I cannot open my home page. That is the problem. I cannot enter my password on here. I cannot enter home page on my laptop. How can I solve this problem? This laptop is totally stuck on here. I cannot open my home page. How can you solve this problem? If you just press any key, it doesn't work. So in this time, what all you have to do, just again press a long press your power button and turn off your laptop. So here you can see my laptop already turn off. Right now again turn on. Just press your power button and turn on your laptop. Here you can see right now it's open. Right now all you have to do, just type your, if I just press any key, here you can see it's successfully open. Right now you can put your password. Here you can see I put my password, and if I just enter it, here you can see right now it's successfully opening. You just need to wait a couple of moments because you faced a problem previously. Right now it's successfully open. So in this way you can fix or you can solve this the stuck problem in your laptop. So in this way you can easily fix it. I hope you can understand. Thanks for watching this video.